Morning. Thanks for joining us. It's warm out there this morning, 66 degrees in Branson with a south and southeast wind at 6 miles per hour. It is a bit breezy in spots with some winds up to 15 miles per hour sustained. The humidity is increasing with dew points in the upper 50s. It's 65 in Springfield right now, 71 in Joplin, and 72 in Clinton. Very warm this morning. And again, we're increasing the moisture. We're seeing these dew points get into the 50s and 60s, which on the muggy meter starting to turn a little bit more humid, so you'll feel a little bit stickier as we head through the day today because humidity will increase as we continue to surge Gulf moisture to the north throughout the entire state of Missouri. And look at how spliced this is over here. You see the differences between the browns and the greens, right? The dry and the moist. That's Lime. That's where we'll likely see some storms fire up as we head through the afternoon and evening is for our friends in Kansas, Nebraska, even parts of Oklahoma, and then we'll be impacted by those storms later on tonight. Now, the storms have been taking a path that hugs just to our north and west because that's where the path of storminess or the jet stream has been kind of sitting. And it'll continue to do that today. The bulk of it will be up to our north and west, but we'll continue to tap into some of that as we get through the overnight hours. That's kind of been the way that it's been for the last day. Look at what happened yesterday. We have multiple reports of tornado and large hail up in northeast Kansas and parts of southeast Nebraska, even parts of Iowa as well. And that's where the threats really focused, almost the same area today. There's a moderate risk for severe weather up around St. Joseph, Missouri, up in northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas. And then there's that enhanced risk. So this is really where we'll see storms develop as we head through the afternoon and evening. And then we're kind of going to get nipped by it. We're going to get clipped by these storms as they start to develop late. So if you take a closer look, we've got that slight risk for Springfield and points north and west. The slight risk means a few of these storms could be strong to severe. So as we see them develop over here, we'll kind of get nipped as they try to move north and east, and some of them could remain strong. And then by Thursday, we'll start out pretty stormy again with those storms continuing from the overnight. Some more numerous severe storms possible up around Clinton where we've got that enhanced risk. But then as we head through the afternoon, once we're done with one round of storms, the atmosphere is going to stay ripe enough. It's going to stay fueled enough where we could keep the chance for some strong storms later on in the afternoon if they do redevelop. So again, the timeline for this, we're not going to start until after midnight tonight. The whole day, you're fine to do anything you want outside. It's really going to be an overnight threat tonight into tomorrow morning and then possibly lingering into the afternoon. We'll have to watch for redevelopment in the afternoon and evening and see how long that lasts. Severe threats, mainly wind and hail, possibly some localized flooding as well. We cannot rule out isolated tornadoes, so we'll have to keep an eye out for that as well. Again, we're looking at an overnight Wednesday through Thursday afternoon time frame. We could be looking at a stormy commute tomorrow morning. This time tomorrow could be pretty stormy, and then we'll have some storms possible in the afternoon if they could redevelop once those storms exit. All modes of severe weather possible, again mainly wind and hail. Can't rule out tornadoes. Isolated heavy downpours possible too. Everything will clear by Friday morning. Quickly timing this out for you, we can see we've got clear conditions all day. We'll just have the cloud cover, but notice the development up towards Kansas and Oklahoma there. Then that starts to nip us after midnight tonight. We could start to see some of these storms come through. Could be stormy by tomorrow morning, and then we'll calm down by tomorrow afternoon, but we can't rule out the chance for more development of showers and storms, and then we'll all clear by late Thursday night into Friday. Today, we'll have conditions be cloudy, 83 degrees, breezy and warm. We'll still keep gusts to 30 miles per hour. Storms after midnight tonight. We'll keep showers and storms tomorrow, 78 degrees. Have ways to get warnings, be weather aware. We'll have skies clear out by Friday.